Another game dev trick. Some things you want to avoid is casting to classes as much as possible. So let's say you have a class that needs to access the inventory component on your player. So generally some people will go and cast to their player character and then get the AC inventory component, which then they can access any variables or any functions within that component class. Problem with that now is the class that uses the cast inside of it is now coupled to that specific class, which then causes that class to expand in size. As you see here, everything that is inside of my blueprint door now also has everything that's inside of my first person character because I casted to my character class. So if I show you what this looks like without casting, I will delete that. Go ahead and compile, save, and then reopen this. You see how much smaller this asset is. So a way around that is to create a interface class and then the data that you need access to, put that inside of the output. So in this case, it's a actor component. And then you want to go to your class, in this case, the character, and add it to your character class settings. Once you do that, you'll get a function over here with interfaces. Go ahead and click that. And all you need to do is just simply drag in your actor component and plug it in. Go ahead and hit compile and save. So now what you do is you go back to your class that you need that component in, and you want to do get player character, and then we can do BPI get inventory, and then you have the inventory class right here, so you can access all the variables and functions within that component now without casting to the player character. And doing this, as you can see, it's still extremely small and is not coupled to my player character, so anything that I add to my player character will not be inside of this class. So if I go ahead and do the cast again, and then I go to the size map, as you see, the main size of this is grown a lot more. Now, of course, this is still extremely small, but as your game progresses and you add more variables, more functions, more data within your first person character, it's all going to be also inside of this class, which is obviously not good. So if you want to learn some more tricks, be sure to follow.